Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some room/dorm room tech items that I think you guys should pick up. Before we get into that, I want to thank you guys for 10 subscribers. Keep hitting that subscribe button, leaving comments, likes down below. Thank you guys very much, and let's get into the video. So the first thing that I'm gonna suggest, like I suggest a lot, is LED light strips for, I don't know, your bed or your desk or something in your room, just to spice up your room a little bit, give it some color, keep it like fun so you're not always in a boring space trying to do work and stuff. If you get a light strip, it could spice up the room a little bit and make it more enjoyable to get work done and stuff like that. Also, I suggest over here, which is my smart light bulb. That is the LIFX one over there, but I highly suggest the same brand as these light strips, which is the Govee. So I'll have a link in the description for the Govee light bulb. I think you guys should pick that one up. That one's really nice and around half the price, so I think you guys should pick that one up instead. And one more tech item I'm going to throw up on the screen right now is smart outlets and stuff like that for turning off a lamp at night or stuff like that. So if you're tired after studying stuff, you can turn off your lamp or whatever, or turn off a fan. Like I use my smart outlet to turn off my fan. It's back there. I would show you guys, but it's back behind there, so I'm not going to go back there. You won't be able to see it very well, but that's what I would get. Those are some essential items that I think you guys should get for your dorm room or bedroom. And now I'm going to hop on the computer and show you a few more items from Amazon that I think are also essential for your room/dorm room. Alright guys, now we're on my computer. I'm going to show you guys a few things that I think are important for your room or your college dorm room. So I'm going to start off with power strip or surge protector. I think those are very helpful, and they can be like, there's a lot of options here. Like there's some Amazon Basics options. There's also, you can get options with USB ports like this one over here, which are really nice. And you can also like this one from Anker looks really nice, and it's a little bit expensive, but some of these are really nice and could be really helpful for your dorm room or your bedroom, depending on where you need it. Next, I'm going to show you guys a 10-foot iPhone charger. I think those are really nice for just being able to like keep your phone charging and move around the room, stuff like that. So I mean, these come in for super cheap. You can get a 3-pack for cheap. I actually bought this one right here, and it's like got this side pointed thing so it doesn't like ruin it. Come with 3 of these packs for $13, but it's really nice and convenient to be able to move around the room, and they seem to last pretty long, so I think that is a good piece of tech that you might need. Next, I have a lot of people bring their laptops to their dorm room and stuff like that, so a laptop stand I think would be a very nice idea. Like some of these are really cool. Like this one can hold your phone and your laptop. This one holds your laptop off the ground pretty good. I mean, and there's some cheaper options, a little bit more expensive ones, but these are really nice just to keep your desk in your room or your dorm room pretty clutter free. You know, keep your laptop on the stand, and you could maybe put something underneath it. And to go along with that, you could also, if you took another monitor or your friend has a monitor on their desk, you can get a monitor stand, which will allow you to put the monitor on top, and then see like right here you can fit stuff underneath, like your keyboard or your laptop, even if you want to do that. Some of these ones are like, these are holding a bunch of stuff. So I think these are just a good option for keeping your desk nice and clean in your college dorm room, especially. These are more for your college dorm room. Will also work in a setup like at home, like if you want a monitorizer to keep your keyboard under and stuff like that. So these are nice to keep your desk nice and clutter free, like I said. And that's about all I have. If you guys have any other tech that you think I should add to this list, comment down below. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.